Cairns is the adventure capital of Australia, where adventure truly comes alive. From world-famous reefs to hidden rainforest gems, here are 21 unmissable things to do in Cairns. Let's dive right into it. Number 1 on our list is the Great Barrier Reef, an absolute icon and a true natural wonder of the world. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers along the Queensland coast, this breathtaking ecosystem is so vast it can even be seen from space. The reef is home to thousands of species of marine life, making it a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're a seasoned diver with years of experience, or a first-time snorkeler just dipping your toes into the underwater world, the reef's vibrant marine life and dazzling corals are truly unforgettable. Imagine swimming through gardens of neon-colored coral, surrounded by schools of tropical fish darting in every direction. Every moment beneath the surface feels like entering a different universe. For the best experience, book a guided snorkeling or diving tour. Local guides are passionate about the reef and know all the secret spots where you're most likely to encounter rare creatures. They'll share fascinating insights about the delicate ecosystem, from how coral polyps build their intricate homes to the symbiotic relationships between species. You'll come away with a deeper appreciation for this living masterpiece. On your adventure, you might find yourself swimming alongside graceful sea turtles, spotting sleek reef sharks gliding by, or marveling at the sheer size and color of giant clams nestled in the coral. Every encounter is a reminder of the reef's incredible biodiversity and the importance of protecting it for future generations. The water here is so crystal clear that sunlight dances through the waves, illuminating the underwater world in brilliant shades of blue and green. It truly feels like you're floating in a living aquarium, surrounded by beauty at every turn. The visibility is often spectacular, making it easy to spot even the smallest creatures hiding among the corals. Whether you're traveling solo, with friends, or as a family, exploring the Great Barrier Reef is a must-do adventure for anyone visiting Cairns. The excitement of gearing up on the boat, the anticipation as you slip into the water, and the joy of discovering a world beneath the waves create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't miss your chance to connect with this extraordinary natural wonder. The Great Barrier Reef is more than just a destination. It's an experience that will inspire awe and leave you with a profound respect for the ocean's magic. Next, hop aboard the Kuranda Scenic Railway for a journey through lush rainforest and dramatic landscapes. Vintage carriages, steep ravines and waterfalls, including Barren Falls, make this ride a visual treat. The narrated trip reveals the railway's fascinating history. Once in Kuranda, explore vibrant markets and soak up the bohemian atmosphere. It's a relaxing, scenic adventure for all ages. For a bird's-eye view, glide above the rainforest on the Skyrail cableway. Step out at Red Peak and Barren Falls for ranger-guided walks and breathtaking lookouts. The 360-degree vistas are unforgettable. Combine the Skyrail with the Kuranda Railway for 2 unique rainforest experiences. Floating above the treetops is pure magic. Need to unwind? Head to the Cairns Esplanade Lagoon, a massive free saltwater pool right on the foreshore. It's perfect for cooling off, with sandy edges and grassy lawns for relaxing. Enjoy a classic Aussie barbecue, playgrounds, and a scenic boardwalk. The lagoon is the social heart of Cairns, buzzing with locals and visitors. It's a must for any trip to the city. Step into the world's oldest tropical rainforest, the Daintree. Guided walks reveal hidden wildlife, ancient plants, and the secrets of this living museum. Spot a cassowary if you're lucky, and cruise the river to see crocodiles. Crossing the Daintree River feels like entering a lost world. It's an essential adventure for nature lovers. Fitzroy Island is paradise. Pristine beaches, turquoise water, and lush trails just 45 minutes from Cairns. Snorkel straight off the beach, hike to award-winning nudie beach, and visit the Turtle Rehabilitation Center. The Secret Garden Walk showcases the island's rainforest interior. Fitzroy offers the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. It's a local favorite for good reason. Green Island is a coral cay with both reef and rainforest, ideal for families and couples. Snorkel, take a glass-bottom boat tour, or stroll through the island's lush interior. The resort vibe makes it easy to spend a full day here. Enjoy beginner-friendly snorkeling and vibrant marine life. It's a slice of paradise, just a short boat ride from Cairns. If you're dreaming of tropical luxury, look no further than Palm Cove, just a short scenic 30-minute drive north of Cairns. This charming coastal village is famous for its breathtaking beauty, where lush palm trees sway gently in the ocean breeze and the turquoise waters stretch as far as the eye can see. Take a leisurely stroll beneath ancient paperbark and palm trees, their canopies providing cool shade as you wander along the golden sands. Whether you're dipping your toes in the warm water, or simply soaking up the sun, Palm Cove's beach is the perfect place to unwind and let your worries drift away. Along the vibrant esplanade, you'll discover a collection of top-notch restaurants, cozy cafes, and stylish bars, all offering delicious cuisine and stunning ocean views. Enjoy fresh seafood, sip on a tropical cocktail, or simply watch the world go by from a breezy terrace. For the ultimate relaxation, indulge in a rejuvenating spa treatment at one of Palm Cove's luxury day spas, or find your own peaceful spot by the sea to read a book and listen to the gentle waves. Here, every moment is designed for your comfort and tranquility. As the sun sets, take a romantic walk along the shoreline, or gather with friends at a seaside cafe, sharing laughter and stories as the sky turns golden and pink. Palm Cove invites you to slow down and truly savor each moment. Treat yourself to this laid-back yet sophisticated escape, where every day feels like a holiday and the beauty of the tropics is always at your doorstep. Lace up your boots for Barren Gorge National Park, home to rugged peaks, deep gorges, and the spectacular Barren Falls. Walk the boardwalk to panoramic lookouts, especially stunning during the wet season. Longer trails lead to secluded swimming holes and breathtaking vistas. The park is rich in indigenous history and natural beauty. It's a must for outdoor enthusiasts. When night falls, hit the Cairns night markets for a feast of global street food and unique souvenirs. Sample fresh seafood, noodles, and the famous mango sorbet. Browse over 70 stalls for local crafts, opals, and quirky gifts. The lively atmosphere is infectious. It's the perfect way to end a day in Cairns. Connect with ancient culture at Japukai Aboriginal Cultural Park. Try your hand at boomerang throwing, learn bush tucker secrets, and enjoy powerful live performances. The Night Fire experience features fire-making ceremonies and indigenous cuisine. It's an immersive, moving way to honor the region's traditional custodians. Don't miss this cultural highlight. Escape the crowds at Crystal Cascades, a series of rainforest waterfalls and freshwater swimming holes just 20 minutes from Cairns. Follow the creekside path to find your own private spot. The water is cool and clear, perfect for a refreshing dip. Bring a picnic and enjoy the laid-back local vibe. It's a hidden gem for a blissful afternoon. Step into a fairy tale at Paranella Park, a Spanish-style castle built in the rainforest. Wander moss-covered ruins, lush gardens, and see the hydro-powered Mina Creek Falls. Guided tours bring Jose Paranella's dream to life with stories of romance and resilience. Stay for the evening illumination for a magical experience. Paranella Park will capture your imagination. Embark on a scenic drive through the breathtaking Atherton Tablelands, where rolling emerald hills stretch as far as the eye can see. This region is a patchwork of lush farmland, rainforest, and charming country towns, each with its own unique character and story to tell. Discover ancient, volcanic crater lakes, their crystal-clear waters surrounded by dense rainforest, and explore the famous waterfall circuit where cascades tumble into hidden pools perfect for a refreshing dip. Take a swim beneath the iconic Mila Mila Falls, or glide across the tranquil surface of Lake Ecom by kayak, soaking in the serenity and natural beauty all around you. Along the way, stop at roadside stalls overflowing with tropical fruits and homemade treats, and sample the region's fresh local produce at bustling markets, each bite a taste of the tableland's rich agricultural heritage. Wander beneath the towering roots of the giant curtain fig tree, a natural wonder that has stood for centuries, and marvel at the ancient rainforest that surrounds you. Breathe in the region's cool, crisp air, especially on misty mornings when the countryside feels magical and alive with the sounds of nature. The Tablelands offer a delicious, refreshing escape from the tropical coast, a place to unwind, reconnect with nature, and create unforgettable memories with friends and family. Whether you're chasing waterfalls, tasting local flavors, or simply enjoying the open road, a road trip through the Atherton Tablelands is an adventure you'll treasure forever. For natural fun, head to Josephine Falls and slide down the smooth granite rock into a deep swimming hole. The rainforest setting is stunning, and the water is crystal clear. It's a popular spot, so visit early for a quieter experience. Always check safety signs before swimming. Sliding down Josephine Falls is a Cairns must-do. The Babinda boulders offer emerald green pools surrounded by rainforest and ancient granite rocks. Swim in the calm main pool or follow the walking track to dramatic lookouts over Devil's Pool. Learn the local indigenous legend that adds depth to this beautiful spot. It's perfect for a picnic and a swim. Respect the area's cultural significance as you explore. Find tranquility at the Cairns Botanic Gardens, a lush oasis with rare tropical plants from around the world. Explore themed gardens, rainforest boardwalks, and the butterfly-filled conservatory. Learn about bush foods and ancient plant species. It's a free, peaceful escape right in the city. A must for plant lovers and anyone seeking calm. For a pristine reef adventure, visit the Franklin Islands. Only one tour operator per day means no crowds. Cruise through mangroves, then snorkel vibrant coral gardens with marine biologist guides. Try paddleboarding, kayaking, or join a guided island walk. The reef here is in incredible condition. It's a true explorer's paradise. Cape Tribulation is where the Daintree Rainforest meets the Great Barrier Reef, two World Heritage sites side by side. Walk the boardwalks for stunning views and total immersion in ancient nature. The beaches are wild and beautiful, perfect for exploring. Guided night walks and ocean safaris add to the adventure. Cape Tribulation is raw, remote, and unforgettable. See the wonders of the reef and rainforest up close at Cairns Aquarium, perfect for a rainy day or curious minds. Walk through underwater tunnels, marvel at giant reef tanks and meet rare rainforest creatures. Daily talks and touch tanks make it interactive and fun. It's educational and inspiring for all ages. The perfect complement to your Cairns adventure. For pure adrenaline, tackle the Tully River's whitewater rapids. Expert guides lead you through thrilling grade 3 and 4 rapids in a stunning rainforest gorge. Between rapids, soak in the scenery and maybe try rock jumping. It's a full day of adventure, laughter, and teamwork. The Tully River is the ultimate thrill for adventure seekers. End your Cairns trip on a high. That's a wrap on 21 epic Cairns adventures. From reefs to rainforests, this region is packed with unforgettable moments and breathtaking sights. Ready to make memories in Cairns? Let us know your favorite spot in the comments and subscribe for more adventures. The adventure of a lifetime is waiting. See you soon in Cairns.